Hi students, welcome to Kakadiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 1B. Okay na? So what is our online topic? Locus. Already last class we discussed the 5 problems. Now 6th problem running up. See the 6th problem. Find the equation of locus of a point P. Find the equation of locus of a point P. So the square of whose distance from the origin is 4 times of its y coordinate. The square of whose distance from the origin is 4 times of its y coordinate. That is the meaning of here. See the coordinate system. This is the origin, x-axis, y-axis. Here we are taking the point P. So what is the coordinates of P, sir? P is equal to x comma y. The square of whose distance from the origin is 4 times of its y coordinate. Here what is the y coordinate, sir? Y is there. The square of whose distance from the origin is nothing but OP square. OP square is equal to what is given, sir? 4y. That is the condition for the square of whose distance from the origin is 4 times of its y coordinate. That is nothing but 4y. Simple problem. See here. So solution, the common step for every problem, let P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. Okay, now P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. See here, what is the given condition, sir? Here given condition, the square of whose distance from the origin, that is nothing but here OP square is equal to 4 times of its y coordinate. Y coordinate what is there? Y is there. That's why 4 times of its y coordinate. That's why 4y. OP square is equal to 4y. See here, O is equal to what is the coordinates of the origin? 0 comma 0. What is the coordinates of P? X comma y. Okay now? The coordinates of P is equal to x comma y, 4y. Now we are substituting the values. OP square, there is already square is there. That's why we are writing under root. Okay now? The distance between the P and O is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So actually there is under root and we are writing square. Square root to cancel. There is a square is there. That's why we are writing under root of x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to what is the value? 4y. Okay na? X minus 0 is nothing but x square. Y minus 0 is nothing but y square is equal to 4y. Therefore x square plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. Is the required locus. Is the required locus. X square plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0 is the required locus. All of right now. So dear students, first one should maintain the fair notebook. Okay now? All of you note down clearly. Next, see the next question. See here. Find the equation of locus of a point P such that PA square plus PB square is equal to 2C square. PA square plus PB square is equal to 2C square, where A equal to A comma 0, B equal to minus A comma 0. So this is not, C is the not point of, C is the constant value. This is. Okay now, C is not the point, just C is which one, sir? Constant value. Okay now, see here. Here directly geometrical condition is given. Okay now, we are not finding the geometrical condition. In our problem, directly geometrical condition is given. PA square plus PB square is equal to what is the value? 2 into C square. Small c is the constant, capital A comma capital B are the points. Okay na? So first solution, we are taking the common point. Let P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. Any point on the locus. P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. Here already given point sum. what are the given points, sir? A is equal to, capital A is equal to, which one is this, sir? A comma 0. Capital B is equal to minus A comma 0. Capital B is equal to minus A comma 0. So, given condition, what is the given condition, sir? Here, given condition. What is the number? PA whole square plus PB whole square is equal to 2C square. PA square plus PB square is equal to 2C square. Here P is equal to, what is the value of P, sir? X comma Y. Here capital A is equal to A comma 0. B is equal to minus A comma 0. See, C is not the coordinate, C is the constant value. Okay, now? Understand? C is the constant value, C is not the point. PA square, no need of writing under root, just only by substituting P and A values here. X1 minus X2 whole square plus Y1 minus Y2 whole square. PA square. Then X2 minus A whole square plus Y minus 0 whole square. This is nothing but PA square plus PB square. P equal X comma Y, B equal minus A comma 0. X2 minus of minus A. X plus A whole square plus Y minus 0 whole square. PB square is equal to, what is that? 2C square. So this is nothing but here x2 minus A whole square. X square minus 2AX plus A square. Y minus 0 whole square is nothing but Y square. Okay, now? So x plus A whole square, X square plus 2AX plus A square. Y minus 0 is nothing but Y square is equal to 2C square. Here minus 2AX plus 2AX, both are cancelled. Okay, now? Here x square plus X square, 2X square. Y square plus Y square, 2Y square. A square plus A square, 2A square. Here 2X square plus 2Y square plus 2A square is equal to 2C square. This other terms we can take the common 2. Remaining value X square plus Y square plus A square is equal to 2C square. 2 cancel. X square plus Y square plus A square is equal to C square. This is nothing but X square plus Y square plus A square minus C square is equal to 0. This is the constant value. E is the required locus. E is the required locus. All of you note down carefully. So next, continuing the next problem. Second bit, first problem. See the second bit, first problem. Find the equation of locus of PM. Find the equation of the locus of P. If the line segment joining 2, 3 and minus 1, 5 subtends a right angle at P. These 2 points and P forms which type of triangle, sir? Right angle triangle. Right angle at which point, sir? P. Okay, now? So see here. So suppose, see the solution. Here let A is equal to which one, sir? 2, 3. B is equal to minus 1, 5 are the given points. Okay, now? The line joining the points of which ones are A comma B subtends which ones are right angle at which point of P. So the line joining the points of A comma B means this is the point A, this is the point B. So the line joining the points of A comma B subtends right angle. Subtends right angle at which points are P. Okay, now? So the line joining the points of A comma B subtends right angle at which point of P. What are the coordinates of P, sir? Here we are taking the coordinates of P is equal to x comma y. The coordinates of P equal to x comma y. Here what is the value of A, sir? A is equal to 2 comma 3. B is equal to minus 1 comma. What is the coordinates of B, sir? Minus 1 comma 5. The line joining the points of A comma B subtends which one, sir? Right angle at P. Okay now? The conditions here. Triangle PAB is which type of triangle, sir? Right angle triangle. Okay now? Every right angle triangle satisfies the one condition, sir. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Hypotenuse whole square is equal to base whole square plus height whole square. We have the condition is there. Hypotenuse whole square is equal to base whole square plus height whole square. Okay now? So see here. So given condition, what is the given condition, sir? Here given condition. So the given condition is which one, sir? Triangle PAB is right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. So every right angle triangle satisfies which one, sir? Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem, sir? Hypotenuse whole square is equal to base whole square plus height whole square. Here then we are writing what is the base whole square, sir? Base is nothing but PA square, height plus base. Here PA square plus PB square is equal to what is the value? AB whole square. Base whole square plus height whole square is equal to hypotenuse whole square. Always remember that. How to find the hypotenuse, sir? The opposite side of the right angle is called the hypotenuse. Where is the opposite side? So right angle, where is the right angle, sir? At the point P. The opposite side of P is nothing but AB. The opposite side of the right angle is called which one, sir? Hypotenuse. Okay now? Here PA square plus PB square is equal to AB square. This is the given geometrical condition. By using this condition, we can find the algebraic equation. Okay now? So see here, P is equal to what is the value? X comma y. So A is equal to, we have already values there, 2 comma 3. B is equal to minus 1 comma 5. Now we are substituting the values here. PA square plus PB square is equal to AB square. So PA square, there is already square is there, that's why mode of writing under root. PA, here PA square is nothing but x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. This is the PA square plus PB square. Here x minus half minus 1, x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to AB square. This is the A, this is the B. Here 2 minus half minus 1 plus 1. Okay now? 2 plus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. 2 minus half minus 1 plus 1. 3 minus 5 whole square. Okay now? So now we are simplifying this one. X minus 2 whole square. X square minus 4x plus 4. X minus 2 whole square, that is in which form, sir? A minus B whole square. X square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9. X plus 1 whole square is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay now? A square plus 2ab plus b square plus y minus 5 whole square. Y square minus 10y plus 5 square is equal to 25. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 square is equal to 9. Plus 3 minus 5, minus 2. Minus 2 whole square, 4. Okay now? Now we are simplifying this one. X square plus x square, 2x square. Y square plus y square, 2y square. Here minus 4x plus 2x. Minus 4x plus 2x. Next to minus 6y minus 10y. Okay now? 4 plus 9. Which one, sir? 13. 13 plus 1. 14. 14 plus 25. 14 plus 25. 39. Okay na? So plus 39 is equal to 9 plus 4 13. Okay na? 9 plus 4 13. Next see here. Now we are simplifying this one. Here 2x square plus 2y square, 2x square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 2x minus 2x minus 6y minus 10y minus 16y plus 39 minus 13 is equal to 0. Okay na? Here observe this one. 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x minus 16y plus 39 minus 13. What is the value? Plus 26. Okay now? Plus 26. Plus 26 is equal to 0. So this all the terms we can take common. Which one, sir? 2 is the common value. Okay now? So 2 we are taking the common remaining value. X square plus y square minus x minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, the required locus. So now we are simplifying this one. X square plus y square minus x minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus x minus 8y plus 13 equal to 0 is the required locus. Is the required locus. All of item. So see the next problem. Previous problem, this problem as this. The ends of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are 0, 6 and 6, 0. Find the equation of the locus of its third vertex. Ends of hypotenuse. Okay now? See here. We are taking one right angle triangle, sir. This is the one right angle triangle. Okay now? The ends of hypotenuse of right angle triangle are 0, 6 and 6, 0. Here we are taking A is equal to 0, 6. B is equal to 6, 0. So then find the equation of the locus of its third vertex. This third vertex is P we are taking. P is equal to x, y. Hypotenuse is given. Hypotenuse is possible for only which type of triangle, sir? Right angle triangle. In other triangles we cannot find the hypotenuse. There is hypotenuse is there. That's why we are taking alternative triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay now? So here given points. First we are taking given points. What are the given points, sir? Here A is equal to 0, 6. B is equal to 6, 0. A equal to 0, 6. B equal to 6, 0. Let P is equal to x, y, b any point on the locus. P is equal to x, y, b any point on the locus. Okay now? P is equal to x, y, b any point on the locus. Here by given condition. What is the given condition, sir? By given condition. So triangle PAB is right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Triangle PAB is right angled triangle. So then here we can add which one, sir? Hypotenuse whole square is equal to base whole square plus height whole square. Here PA whole square plus PB whole square is equal to which one, sir? AB whole square. We are writing the values. P is equal to x, y. A is equal to 6, 0. B is equal to 0, 6. A is equal to 6, sorry. A is equal to 0, 6. I'm sorry. A is equal to what is the number? 0, 6. B is equal to 6, 0. 0, 6, 6, 0. Next is here. PA square. There is nothing but x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square nothing but pa square plus pb square x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to ab square. A equal to 0 comma 6, b equal to 6 comma 0 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square. Now we are simplifying this one. X minus 0 is nothing but x square. Y minus 6 whole square. Y square minus 12y plus 36. 6 square is equal to 36. X minus 6 whole square. X square minus 12x plus 6 square is equal to 36. Y minus 0 whole square is equal to y square. 0 minus 6 is nothing but minus 6 whole square 36. 6 square is equal to 36. Here 36, 36. Another 36 also cancel. Remaining value x square plus x square 2x square. Okay now 2x square. Y square plus y square 2y square. Okay now here what is there? Minus 12x minus 12y is equal to 0. All the terms we can take common. 2 is the common value. So 2 we are taking common. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y equal to 0 is the required locus. So all of you note on this one. Master should maintain the fair note book sum. Okay, thank you students. Next class will be continued tomorrow.